With the virus situation, many locations are switching from serving their residents in the dining room to their individual rooms and doing room service. Just wanted to show you a couple of things to consider in taking this approach. First thing that you might want to do, and we can change this for you, if you serve multiple entrees, we can just change that to 1. And then you can go to your static menu and create an always available menu. And you can watch the tutorial. In the very bottom right hand corner you'll see a little ... and you can watch more of the details of this. But I'll do this quickly. I'm going to create and add 3 items to an always available menu. And I'm going to add some sandwiches. So let's go ahead and add a couple of sandwiches. I'm just searching the database for some sandwiches, and you can give it a description if you'd like. Let's add a second sandwich. And we can add a chef salad. So these will always be available for your residents to choose from when they do their room order. So here's my always available menu. Then we need to decide if we want this to go on our shopping list. If you want to do that, you're going to click on the Settings tab and tell that you want to use the static menus to go on your shopping list and click on Save. Then when I go to my production sheet for a particular day, you will see here the sandwiches and the chef salad, and I can put it, forecast what I think is going to happen so it goes on my shopping list. We have another production sheet that we call forecast production numbers. It looks a little bit different. Let me show you that one. So some of you might see a production sheet that looks like this. And if so, you can go in here and do your production numbers here. You do not have, if you have this type of production sheet, you do not have to go to the Settings tab and change that. You just need that for the default one. Then the last thing you'll want to do is print your room sheet so you can take orders. So we click on today's menu, and this will show your menu for the day, but we want to switch it to the order ticket. Now by default you're going to probably see the dining room ticket that you might use. So we want to switch this by going to the presets and do room sheet. So here's the room sheet. So you'll see breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This one has 2 seats or 2 people in a room. If you want to switch this, I can go to my seats and change it for 1 if you have 1 person in a room. And then you'll print this off, and you can go to each room and take their order. And the always available section there, you can ask them which sandwich they want or the chef salad, and just fill that in for them as they need. So hopefully this gives you a couple of ideas as you do room service.